Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to install these wicked cushions on your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Gen 2. And I'm going to open these up real quick. Alright, so I actually got these. I forgot what they were called. I think it was like Yellow Tiger. It was. And yeah, this is how they look like. And this is actually the length of the inner part right here is like exactly the same as the stock Turtle Beach headset. Okay, so these are the original cushions that were on the Stealth 600, and I had actually, in the meantime, I had used the HyperX one, so you can see my HyperX headsets, they don't have any cushions, because I found that the ones on here actually fit these Gen 2, and they actually fit pretty nicely. I mean, they're not really that compatible, but it works though, and they didn't really fall off, and they're pretty sturdy. But now that I have the Yellow Tigers, I'm going to replace those real quick. Okay, so to take the cushions off, I put one of each just to show you that it doesn't matter, and it's relatively the same process. So you always start off with like one edge, the easiest edge, and you just kind of pry it off with your finger like that. I don't really think you run the risk of damaging it as long as you don't over exaggerate, and just kind of do it slowly. And there you go, they come off super easily. And now we're gonna go ahead and install these new ones. I noticed there's like a seam right here on the bottom or top, whatever that is, and on the other side there isn't. So this seam, I'm actually gonna have it pointing down, like towards the floor, basically. If you were to put them on, this would be facing towards the floor. Alright, so putting these on is actually pretty simple. I'm gonna try to show you. There might not be too much lighting on the video, but you should be able to see how I'm doing this. So you just want to start off with an edge. You want to try to slip it onto one edge, and once you successfully do that, you just go all the way around. So I believe I've got it on here. So I have it fully inserted, and once you have it fully inserted, you actually want to rotate the cups like back and forth. So just rotate them back and forth just to make sure that they're in there, they're not gonna come off, and kind of just push it back and forth and just work it in like that. And I already did the same thing with this other side, so that should be good to go. So this is how they look. Let me give you a different shot. Alright, and this is how they turned out. So these look pretty cool. I haven't tried them on yet, but this video just shows you how to put them on. So yeah, they look pretty cool too. I actually got these Yellow Tiger ones just because I wanted something out of the ordinary, something different. So I hope this video helped you guys out. This is mainly a gaming channel, but I felt like doing something different this time around. So all in all, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on my latest videos. If you like the video, like the video. In the description below you will find these wicked cushions linked down there, and also if you want to check out this headset or also the HyperX, I'll have that linked down there below. And finally, you will see the link tree, which has all my social media and my Spotify playlist. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.